So when you look at Peloton, I want to go back to the 1 year. Okay, so this was a pandemic stock for sure, right? This thing was $177. This thing has massively rolled over.
Oops.
They announced a recall yesterday.
Take what you can. Give nothing back.
Year to date down $62. 6 month down 16. 1 month down 31.
Stop! He's already dead.
5 day down 13. 1 day up $1.16 before they announced earnings.
Maybe if you tell me the bad news in a good way, it won't sound so bad.
Look at this thing rallied in the aftermarket on great earnings. And then, boom, they crushed it. They crushed it. This is aftermarket, and then this is Wobbly.